Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open lower. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% fall. Yesterday, the Australian share market closed 1.8% lower at 7,613 points. Rio Tinto has reported it is producing and shipping less iron ore. The mining giant produced 77.9 million tonnes in the first quarter, which is 2% lower than the same time last year. The company said the drop was driven by a planned ore depletion, mainly at the Yandingkuguna site. Meanwhile, shipments were 78 million tonnes, down 5% on the same period last year. Rio said lower volumes were predominantly the result of weather disruption at the ports, leading to a lower stock drawdown compared to last year, as well as reduced production at the mines. The company confirmed that production guidance across its portfolio remained unchanged. Bank of Queensland has reported a drop in cash earnings by a third to $172 million in its first half 24 financial results. The regional lender said total income declined 12% from the same time last year, driven by competition for lending, higher funding costs and an increase in expenses by 6%, led by inflation and business investment. Meanwhile, net interest margins fell 24 basis points in the half to only 1.55%. The company also cut its interim dividend to 17 cents per share, down from 20 cents per share last financial year. The result has renewed speculation about the future of regional banks against the bigger players. Lynas Rare Earths announced after market close yesterday that Gina Rinehart's Hancock Prospecting has purchased $49 million of its stock, or 5.82% over the past few days. Lynas is the world's largest non-China producer of rare earths and has assets in Western Australia. Market speculation is now focused on if Australia's richest person could lead a rare earths merger between Lynas and New York-listed MP Materials. Looking to the US markets now, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.17%. The S&P 500 lost 0.2%, while the Nasdaq Composite dropped 0.1%. European markets closed lower. London's FTSE fell 1.8%, Frankfurt lost 1.4%, and Paris closed 1.4% lower. Turning to Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei fell 1.9%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng dropped 2.1%, and China's Shanghai Composite closed 1.7% lower. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes.